Sprucing up your speech, mastering adjectives and cumulative structures. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today's topic is an exciting part of conversational English: adjectives and cumulative structures. This might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll go through it step by step together. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how and why we use this structure, and you'll be able to incorporate it into your own speech or writing. Let's start with the basics. Cumulative adjectives are a sequence of adjectives that build upon each other, cumulatively enhancing the description of a noun. Unlike coordinate adjectives, they do not describe the noun independently, and we can't use commas or the word "and" between them. A classic example would be long summer days. Here, both long and summer are adjectives describing days. But instead of both adjectives describing days independently, long describes summer days, a combination of summer and days. This is a cumulative structure. Order is key when dealing with cumulative adjectives. As a rule of thumb, adjectives closer to the noun are more directly connected to it. You might be wondering, how does this work? Let's take an example. Delicious homemade apple pie. Here, apple modifies pie directly, homemade modifies apple pie, and delicious modifies homemade apple pie. This cumulative structure gives us a fuller picture of what kind of pie we're talking about. Now, how can you make cumulative adjectives work for you? Simple. Just remember these 2 points. 1. Use them when you want to provide a layered description. Cumulative adjectives are fantastic for painting a vivid image or evoking a particular mood. For instance, saying, "a majestic ancient oak tree," is a lot more evocative than just saying, "an old tree." 2. Don't overuse them. Like many good things, cumulative adjectives can be less effective when used in excess. Too many adjectives can make a sentence overly complicated and difficult to understand. That wraps up our journey through adjectives and cumulative structures. They may seem a bit complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, they can be a powerful tool in your English language toolkit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be shy to use them in your everyday conversations or writing. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, keep learning and keep growing. Happy speaking, everyone!